Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how you can change regions in every single region, actually how this works in PokeMMO. So in order to change regions from Kanto, you need to get to Vermilion City, you need to beat the second gym. So from here, you just wanna go down until we see the sailor. This one, not the one on the left, and it will ask you where you wanna disembark. So this is how you change regions from Kanto. Now if you want to change regions from Hoenn, let's just go to Hoenn. As you can see, the place where you change regions in Hoenn is Slateport City. So I'm just going to look at the map. Here's where it's located, Slateport City. Okay, so again, same thing. We go here, not the one on the left, but the one with the black hat instead. So just click on them, talk to them. And here, next up, I'm gonna show you in Sinnoh how you can change regions in Sinnoh. We need to go to Pastoria City, which is located right here on the map. And the sailor is here to the right, as you can see. Same with the hat, same one with the hat. And last but not least, Unova. It is located in Castelia City. So here's where it's located on the map itself. And again, same thing, you talk to them and it will ask you where you wanna go. Now, keep in mind that if you have not progressed in a region in PokeMMO, it will take a while before you're able to change regions again. So like I said, you need like about 2 to 3 badges on average to change regions. So yeah, keep that in mind. And that is how you change regions and go to every single region in PokeMMO. Now, if this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you boys and girls next time. Bye bye.